Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to open an account on Lloyds Bank. First of all, open the Lloyds Bank site. So the first thing you will get to know about is the current account. Lloyds provides you the option to choose the best current account for you, in which you get Classic account and Club Lloyds, Silver account and Silver Lloyds, Platinum account and Platinum Lloyds. So I'm going with the Classic account. Once you get into the Classic account, tap on Ready to Apply. Then choose the option if you're a new customer or existing customer. Now tap on the New Customer. After that, scroll down and tap to continue the process. So get started choosing the option between Yes or No. Choose the No option if you are an existing Lloyds Bank customer. Then choose the next question. Do you already have a UK current account? And choose the option Yes. If you choose Yes, you have to provide your sort code and account number. Now select Yes, it's going to be your main account. After that, scroll down and tap on Continue. Then tap to log on or register into your existing account, for which you have to enter your user ID and passwords, then click to continue. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.